Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1, Civics Power Sharing. Remember, students, this is one of the important chapter of your syllabus, Political Science. In this chapter, we will discuss the power sharing concept in a democratic manner. Different concept of democracy we will learn from this chapter. Your chapter starts from the two important stories. One is called Belgium and another one is called Sri Lanka. In these stories, we will learn how the power is shared between the different groups, different communities, different languages, and what is the real meaning of power sharing. Okay, for same, I would like to explain first the meaning of power sharing. Children, very simple. In democracy, the power is shared between the organs of the government, between the communities, and different levels of the government. That is called power sharing. Or in general manner, we can say the power is shared. It means the power is not centralized in should not centralized in one person or one group. It should be distributed. As we can put the example here, India. India is a federal country. So the power of the government, or we can say the power of ruling, is also divided at central level as well as state level. This is a constitutional concept or idea in India. It means we can say India is a federal country. We have central government, we have state government. But remember, these features is not similar in other country. Each and every country have a different constitution. So the power sharing concept in the respective countries also different. First of all, we would like to take the example of Belgium as per our NCERT book. In Belgium, the total community is divided into three categories. 59% Dutch are living there, 40% are French, and 1% is Dutch. First of all, we discuss what is the power, then we discuss the solution of this problem. And that remember that problem and solution both are concerned to the idea of power sharing. Remember, I am going to repeat again, the power sharing concept of India not similar in this country. Because in India, the power sharing is based on the elections. The power in the power sharing concept in India, the population or the community is not giving the importance. We have a democratic system. We have proper elections are held time to time. The election commission is authorized body to conduct the election. But in different countries like Belgium, we will discuss here, the concept is different. The power sharing concept is different. So what you will learn in this chapter, you will learn the power sharing concept in the different countries or place to place is different according to their constitution, according to their cultural norms, according to their communities norms or the requirement. Remember, requirement is very important. India is a very, very big country, vast population. So the power concept, the power sharing concept is different. And that the main thing is we have federal form of government. Okay, clear? Now come to the Belgium. As per NCERT norm, Belgium, the 59% is Dutch, 40% are French, and 1% are German. The power sharing among these level. But the problem is this, the 59% Dutch, they were not economically powerful, not educated. So the problem is this, the 59% Dutch are not playing an important role at central level. The central government or central system of ruling is governed and managed by the French community. That was a learned community, economically strong, but that things not liked by the Dutch community. Now the main thing is coming. Why the Dutch community is not happy? Because they feel the Belgium is our country. We are in majority, so all the ruling authority should in our hand. That is a problem. That's why I want to say that power sharing. जनरल वे में अगर हम बात करते हैं ना, पावर किसके हाथ में रहेगी? आप कहेंगे सर जिसके हाथ में पॉपुलेशन होगी. But no, that is बेल्जियम ये चाहता है. बेल्जियम रिक्वायर दिस थिंग्स. बट यू आर लुकिंग इंडिया में अगर हम बात करते हैं, आज हिंदू कम्युनिटी जो है मेजोरिटी में है. तो मुझे बताइए क्या पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हिंदू राज कर रहे हैं? नो, इंडिया इज ए सेकुलर कंट्री. कोई भी आदमी चुनाव लड़ सकता है. दे कैन विन द इलेक्शन, दे कैन बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. बट बेल्जियम ये चाहता है, द बेल्जियम रिक्वायर्ड, डच वांट, डच चाहते हैं कि 59% वी आर इन मेजोरिटी. रिमेंबर, मैं कंसेप्ट समझा रहा हूं आपको. 59% are Dutch community there. They want we should rule at central level. We should have main authority of the government. why the French community have main authority of the government. They are secondary. We are in majority, so all the ruling system should be held or managed and governed, controlled by in our hand. But unfortunately, the things are in hand the French community. So Belgium were not happy, and the 1% Dutch, they have no power. That was a problem of Belgium. Now come to the solution. What is the solution, or in another way you can say, what is a reformation of the government? Finally, after to remove the dispute, the constitution amendment in the Belgium, and finally at central level, in central government, the Dutch and French both are given the equal preference. Now the Belgium are happy because they were native of the country, and they want our contribution, our participation should be at central level, so we can become the part of the policy making. And second level, it means you understood the first level is central government, second is the regional government. At regional government, the French and Belgium both can become the part of that government. And third one is German, where the German will be stand. Remember, for German, the community government is also introduced in Belgium. Remember, very, very important. Now I am asking the one question to all of you. Why the community government, not India? We have different communities, different languages, different culture. Because remember children, India is a secular country. Already in our constitution, it is clearly mentioned all communities are equal on behalf of the caste, color, region, gender, community. No discrimination in India. जो भारत में रहता है वो सभी एक समान अधिकार पाएगा. It means remember, there is no discrimination in India on behalf of the caste, creed, gender, religion, community, reason. कोई भी रीजन नहीं होता हमारे इंडिया में, ये मैं क्लियर बता दूं जहां तक मेरी नॉलेज कंसर्न करती है. नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. सो every community become the part of Indian higher authorities. But that was not situation in Belgium. So the new constitution introduced in Belgium, and finally at central level, the Dutch and French both have equal right. Regional level, as per the election process, which community win the election, they are entitled to rule the nation. And third one, German, for safeguard the rights of German, the community government is introduced in Belgium. That was the concept of the Belgium. So on behalf of this concept, we are learning one thing, that each and every country have different concept of power sharing. I know this concept is totally democratic or non-democratic, but that was the story of the Belgium. So on behalf of this concept, we just learn that every country have different concept. Now in next video, we will concern to the Sri Lanka.